A degree in biology from the University of St. Joseph offers the students a generalist biology background. Students are getting exposure to cellular and molecular biology, but also courses in organismal, evolutionary biology, and should they choose, environmental and ecology. Coming to the University of St. Joseph for biology provides a student with a very different experience. The students will know the faculty. They'll know them from their freshman year. The faculty will understand the students' needs and deliver a program that can be somewhat tailored to the specific needs of the student. We have many faculty who are actively doing research with students, and those research experiences lead to presentations at national and regional conferences. Most of the courses in science often involve a laboratory too. So students are typically in lectures and in laboratories, and they're also getting involved actively in the going on of our faculty's research in the labs. And so they're muddling around the labs, they're participating in experiments, they're working in our cell culture facility. And biology students have the opportunity to do internships locally. So we have a collaboration where we have a handful of students each semester or each academic year who can go on to competitively be placed in laboratories. Students gain not only employability and opportunities for graduate program acceptance, but we also hope they gain a positive experience in working with faculty and understanding the unique environment that the University of St. Joseph offers.